Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we're looking at our 2017 Nissan Maxima SL. This is what is known as the four-door sports car. You see 4DSC here on the taillights. There's one up in the headlights. Stands for four-door sports car. And they are correct. These are absolute riots to drive. Buckled in, panoramic sunroof, leather seats, heated of course. We're in sport. Backup camera into drive. Let's head out. There we go. Now, you might know I'm a huge fan of the Maxima. Ton of fun to drive. Definitely one of my favorite Nissans. It's good. It's really good. Even with the CVT transmission, these are still fun. Nothing like good old V6 NA power. I do like how you have the lumbar support too. That is huge. These are just awesome. I love them. Especially for the price. What does this one have on it? 38,000 miles. Not bad. Actually, that's very low miles for 2017 now that I think about it. SL is your luxury focused model. Of course, you have the SR with your paddle shifters and all that fun jazz. But SL is still going to have the same basic powertrain. Everything's the same. Only difference is slight tuning appearance and the paddle shifters. Other than that, same exact thing. Why is it? Okay, I must have hit the high beams. Oopsies. not bad. See, that's where the CVT is actually kind of welcome, because it just keeps it in the power band. It does fake shift, and it just keeps it going. Slow down to 60. Do a 60 to 70 kickdown test. Yeah, it's good. License plate says squeegee. Okay, I don't know the meaning behind that. As you can tell, just cruising around town, quiet, comfortable, relaxed. Oh, yeah. Yep, I like these things a lot. I like the Maxima. If I had to buy a Nissan, either be a Z, GTR, or Maxima. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.